Another day, another dollar, and we're hungry for some bread, so let's get straight into it. Baby, can't you hear my call? So these are my headphones, but I'm definitely going to use these for sure. Kind of matches with the shirt. Alright, so it's currently 4 minutes to 3 right now. I'm waiting to see how the 4-hour candle closes, and then if it closes above a certain line, then we're going bullish, and if it closes below a certain line, we're going bearish. So let's get straight into the markets and let's see what we have right now. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Good afternoon to you too, man. How's like this? Okay, so here's the market I'm currently looking at right now. Like I said, it's New York open right now, and evidently the market is seemingly trying to close below this line. So it closing below that line, it means that we are looking for bearish markets. That's the thing we are looking at right now. And if it had closed above, it's closing in about 2 minutes. If it does close above this line, then it's going bullish. The reason being is, if it closes above this blue line, it would make, the focus. I'm messing up the focus. Okay, if it closes above the blue line, it's making this candle an order block. But if it fails, it will make it a breaker. It's not a breaker, but it will just confirm the opposite direction for me. If it fails to close above there, then you are evidently going to look for shorts, right? So now it seems, like I said, it's closing in about 2 minutes. So right now we can go ahead and look on lower time frames what market we have. You see what I was talking about? It looks like it swept liquidity right there, making these an order block. So it does look like we are looking for bearish markets, change of character. So to confirm the bearish momentum, we need to see it close below this OP. We need to close below this OP that I had marked out right there, because otherwise this would have been the order block it was going to use for bullish momentum, but it's failing. Okay, it's closing about 26 seconds. Let's see, it's currently playing above that. Okay, just on that line, going below. So we really need to see how it closes. If it does close above, like I said, this is the order block that we are going to be entering from. So I'm hoping the market does come back and test it again. So let's see, 2 seconds. Okay, it didn't close above it, but it did, look, closed above. So we're looking for bullish momentum. Let me go on the 1 hour, on the 4, that's the 4 hour. Wait, man, I'm not sure about this price action, it failed to close above. It failed to close above. The market might still push. And it's pushing. So that is a valid order block, I guess. Man, it just pushed up crazily. Okay. So going back on the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see that it reacted to this. I'll have to be protective about my stop loss now. I'll have to enter carefully because I didn't get the close above here with a strong push above to confirm actually that it is going to close above, because right now it's a bit indecisive. So I want to see what it does. But like I said, I would like to see, if we are going bearish, I would like to see it close below here. So I guess we have to wait. And if it does continue to close above here, then I guess the market, if it does continue to go up, then I guess it could be a bull market, but I'm not confident in it because it could still retrace back down and take everything out. But if it does close here, I might have to enter right about here. That'll be my bull confirmation. So let's see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. Okay, so it's currently Thursday right now, right? How was, you guys tell me about Wednesday's price action? Wednesday price action on gold was bullshit, man. I'll tell you straight up right now. It was bullshit. I entered buys, took me out. Entered long shorts, took me out. It was real confusing. The move that was supposed to happen happened early around London Open, and then the move completed at 4 p.m. Asian session, around Asian session open, or during, or Sydney, I don't know. But the move ended around 9 p.m. That's when the move was like now clear, like, oh yeah, the market is man, what's wrong with my speech? The market is bullish because at 9 a.m. when the market came yesterday on Wednesday, it came into a 4-hour fair value gap. But then from 9 a.m. all the way until 9 p.m., the market was consolidating. It didn't have a clear bias. Like I knew, okay, the market entered a 4-hour fair value gap. I'm looking to target all-time highs. But then the market was not giving you, what you would call it, clear entries. I entered longs where I thought, okay, where were buying? Shorted. Okay, they were like, oh, it created sell side, buy side liquidity. I'm shorting. Took me out. Entered, oh, I see buys. Took me out again. Entered like 3 trades yesterday. Took me out. I was just like, nah. So, like I said, all the way from London, from New York session, it was just straight consolidation. That was the S. So, well, we want to see how we're going to take it right now. See if it's going to respect our bias. Currently, on the 5-minute time frame, it does look like a bullish scenario, right? But given that it failed to break above my 4-hour order block, I'm not confident enough to say we are completely bullish, because like I said, it could go up a bit and then close back down. So I would like to see it. So right now I just have to wait to see whether it takes out the highs first or the lows first. So this is what I'm saying. I want to see it either take one of these out first. It takes those out first, then we are buying. It takes this out. Wait, actually, these out. It takes this out. Oh shit, what's wrong? It takes this out, then we are selling. It takes this out, then we are selling. So let's just see how it goes. Okay, so look, I had to zoom in on the 4-hour time frame to actually confirm if it closed above. But look at this. Let me actually zoom in. It did. Look. It did, right? Let me actually move this. Just that this thing is thick, so it might take. It closed above, so it is bullish. It is actually bullish. You could have entered on that order block right there. So now, let me remove this high, because now we know we're actually bullish, right? Let me remove that high real quick. Okay, just like how I had explained earlier, this is now my order block. So I guess it is buying. But then the stop loss is a bit sticky. Where I put my stop loss is a bit sticky, because this low can still get swept. That's the thing. That's the problem. That's the only big problem we have. That this order block can get completely violated and then continue going up. But given that it tested here, we have some sort of confidence that it might actually continue going up. But then if you go down on the 1 minute time frame, it respected this one. Okay, I'm not completely sure how it wants to play out, but I guess it is bullish, right? So let's see if it does retrace back, or it has already tested the order block, which is this one right there, as you can see. No, it didn't actually test into it. It didn't actually mitigate it. So there's still space for the market to come back down there. So I'll place my order right there. Preferably, I would want to place my stop loss all the way down here. But then you see, this setup is the exact setup the market had yesterday. Not even a clear bias, but I guess we just have to trust it, I guess. Right? Oh, on the 30-minute time frame, we have the zone that was respected. This zone. So it's a bit sticky right now. But let's see how the 15-minute works. How it reacts to the 5-minute. There. Okay. I'll come back when this market is played out, and let's see what we have right on this one. Okay, so it's a bit later in the day now. And there's the trade I ended up catching. The market is moving perfectly. It's moving just nice. So what is going to happen right now is I'm going to hold this trade all the way up to $4,300. I will close one, but then another one will remain and will continue running. Yeah, that's exactly how it's going to go. I'm expecting it to keep pushing upward. As you can see, it's been happening for a while now, for nearly over a month. Just a straight push up. Since when? October. It's not even October. It's been a while. For a while. So that's what I'm going to do today. I think I'm done for today. I'm not going to work on the chart anytime for today. So see you guys tomorrow, and this is it for today.